Hello everyone. These days we are studying use case diagram, and in the previous session we discussed about this example, right? It was just an introductory lecture, and we discussed that how we can draw the UML. We just got an idea about the use case diagram. So today we will see other parts, other components, and other things about the use case diagram. So the very first thing is user scenario. Here you can see the user scenario. Okay, 1 second. Okay, so the very first point we need to understand is use case diagram is used for describing a set of user scenarios. What is the meaning of user scenarios? Meaning of the user scenarios is associated with the process, like user can do this, user can do this, user can do this. So particularly use case, user can use this process, user can use this process, so that process become your use case, right? That process becomes your use case, and so we call it a use case diagram. So scenario is nothing but the processes which are associated with the user. Second thing, it illustrates the functionality provided by the system. So through the use case diagram you can see, you can learn that you can learn about all the functionalities which your system provides. Each and every functionality you can mention here. The main use of the use case diagram is to capture the user requirements. So from the use case diagram you can easily come to know that okay, user can use this, user can use this, but because user can use this, but ultimately that is the user's requirement, right? That is the user's requirement. So again, requirement, scenario, case, all things are nothing but the process. The next point says that work like a contract between the end user and the software developers. Yeah, so when you normally draw the use case, so you can prepare your use case and you can talk to your end user, your client, that so and so are the people, so and so, like, okay. So after drawing this diagram, because this is comparatively simple diagram, right? A normal person can understand this example. So you can explain your client that okay, these are the people which can use your system, and these are the functionalities or the processes or whatever. So it is easy to understand for a non-technical person. So that's why we call it a contract between the end user and the software developers. So these are the basic points about the use case diagram. Now we have core components that we will cover in the next part.